Hi, I'm Jahidul. Now I'm going to show you. You have few things you have already tell you cannot make linking your template. This is template you have already keep this. I have keep this copy here and make a draft campaign. I just go to edit here, and this is your design. You have uh, keep you have tell you cannot make linking the tell me more. I have show you now how to make linking. Just click the edit option and I see you have this text here, but you cannot see because of the text color and the background color are same. For the reason you cannot see this text here. Okay, why you feel this issue? I will show you using the original template, but now I show you how to make linking. When you click the edit option, then you can see here without link. Example, this type, because you have already removed this text from here, and you have already removed this text from here and make it linking. So when you need to keep the change your button, then no need to remove your change, just replace this text. Example, tell me to buy now, but you have keep it, you have delete the text at first and then make it again your text. But please never delete this text, because when you delete this text from button, then link automatically remove. So I just keep here tell me more, then click here Control A from your keyboard and just go to the link option and web link, and you can keep your link here. Just one moment, and insert. This is already linked. Okay, you can see here is the one underline link underline, because of you have already removed link code from this template, so there is no way to see code. For the reason I cannot remove this link line from this template, but the original template when you edit, then you cannot see the link option. Also you have tell you cannot see the image when you send to your email. I have already sent few time in my different email, and I can see the image properly loading. I have sent this email, send test mail. Test mail is sending now. Okay, email is come. Okay, look at this all of images are loading here, and also the all of the tell me more button are linked now. I just click the one button, and you can see here this new mail sending option is open. So this is working perfectly in this template. I just keep it, save and exit, save and go to template. Okay, this is the campaign I have just right now make edited. So you can edit this type of option, and now I will show you about the link. Now I will show using the original template how to keep the button text, button linking without the underline. I just go to edit this campaign. This is the test campaign. I have keep again it. I select now the original template. I will add just here the product block section. This is the product block section. Okay, now I will show you how when you edit the button text, then please be carefully. I just click the edit option, and there is the text by now. So if you want to keep here the tell me more text, just select all and keep, and anywhere keep, please right right click more, and finally deleted the first section that you don't need to keep here. This is the tell me more, and now I will keep linking here. This is already linked here in show. I just keep here the linking. This is the link already linked. So if you need to link here the another link, then just click here another link. Otherwise, if you need to email link, just go to email address and keep your email address, just insert, and you can see here there is no underline. Once again I will show you how to edit link when you link. Just one again, I just keep this link again, just click the edit option, select all, click the empty option here and you can select, then you can see this text and you can click the last of the text and you can see here this text is added. Just delete the first option that you don't need to keep here, and if you double click here, then you can see this link already here because this is linked, or just select this option and go to the link option. Please remove this link if you do not need the web link and go to the email address, and you can keep here your email address, just insert. Okay, I just keep again a test mail and show you this work perfectly. Okay, this email is come here. Okay, I just show when I click the tell me, I have already make linking, so this linking, and this is already the web linking from previous link. This is already working, but you can see here is no underline. So please be carefully when you make campaign, then please be carefully edit your template and your campaign will be perfectly. I think you have new for the system, the new system, for the reason you feel the little issue.